How to fix Google Chrome slow. Hey guys, let's get started. If you are having the problem of Google Chrome working slowly, here are few methods that you can apply. So first of all, open your Google Chrome and tap on the three dots on the top right corner. After that, go to the settings. Once the setting tab is open, tap on this privacy and security. Scroll down a bit and click on clear browsing data. You can select the files that you want to clear or delete and then click on clear data. So this was the first method. For the next one, open a new tab, or you can click on the three dots and go to extensions. You can also directly click the extensions icon and then you have to go on manage extensions. Make sure to remove all the extensions which are not required. For that, you just have to simply tap on remove and then again on remove button. So now for the third solution, you need to regularly update your Windows. For that, on the search bar, type in Windows Update. Once you have opened the update page, make sure that you have downloaded and installed all the latest versions. So this was some of the techniques that you can apply. For more such contents, do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Thank you and keep watching.